We tell the computer what to do, and the computer does it once. For example, m equals 5, enter, print m. Let's run it. While tutorial 5. We see there is one number printed. It's fine if this is what we want. But if we want something to be repeated many times, how do we do it? Kids of all ages, I give you the while loop. So, press center here. Then, let's import time. Then, let's change this to 3. Then, make this line 2. We made a variable m with the value of m. Let's create while m is greater than 0, colon. This is the beginning of the while loop. As long as m is greater than 0, the computer will do everything inside the loop. Because our m is 3, we can expect everything indented below will be done 3 times. So let's put time.sleep 6 seconds. Let's print m equals m and m is greater than 0 inside the loop. We print, so we know we are still inside the loop. Let's put time.sleep 7 seconds. Then m equals m minus 1. When using loops, make sure that it can be ended. Here, m equals m minus 1 is our stopper to the loop. In case you accidentally made an infinite loop, which is a loop that never stops, just click this red square button to stop running the code. Then, let's put a print m equals m. Now we changed it in line 8. Still inside. Then press enter, time that sleep 2 seconds. This is not indented anymore, and we are outside the loop. So let's print because m is equal to m, we are fine finally out of the loop! Exclamation point. Now, let's run it. Line 2, we made a variable m with a value of 3. M equals 3 and 3 is greater than 0 inside the loop. M equals 2 now. We changed it in line 8. Still inside. M equals 2 and 2 is greater than 0 inside the loop. M equals 1 now. We changed it in line 8. Still inside. M equals 1 and 1 is greater than 0 inside the loop. M equals 0 now. We change it in line 8. Still inside. Because M is equal to 0, we are finally out of the loop. Notice that everything in the while loop were repeated 3 times, and the ones that are not inside the while loop are not repeated. While loops are very useful when you want something to be done as long as a certain condition exists. We can think of it as a series of if blocks. Just to remember, we should have a way to end the loop. Hey! In line 2, make m equal to 5. See what happens.